Workspace is an important concept within Voleer and enables 5 key things. Number 1, they're containers that reside in a specific data center, allowing you to be compliant with internal or regulatory policies by processing the IT action in a specific country. 2, templates are launched within the workspace, allowing the execution to perform at the lowest latency due to regional execution. 3, data that is generated by the automation is stored within the workspace. 4, audit or execution history is maintained within the workspace. And 5, workspace can be restricted with access control. IT service providers commonly create workspaces for each customer. This allows you to restrict access between consultants within your organization while processing the data as close as possible to your customer. Internal IT organizations commonly create workspaces for each geographical site or data center. This allows you to restrict access between regional IT staff while performing IT activities at the lowest latency. To create a workspace, click New Workspace, enter the name you wish to call it, then click Save. Your new workspace can now be used to launch new template instances.